Ciao, ladies and gentlemen. Express 3.2189 recurring as a fraction. Now, this is probably about as monstrous as these questions get. General idea with any recurring decimal question is you want to have something that doesn't have this recurring bit at the end, that 189 going on forever. That's a problem, and we need to get rid of that. As is the case in maths, you've got a bunch of things. One of those things is a problem. Get rid of the problem, problem solved. So this 189 with the dots like that, I could just write an extra 189. Okay. Now there's two ways in which you can start this. The first I would recommend is that you want to get your recurring bit after the decimal. So we want to have a 0.189. It just sets up the later stages of this question nicely. So we need to turn this number into a number that has 0.189 recurring afterwards. And of course, I could have another 189 there. So hopefully you can identify that the number I have in blue so far, if we multiply the number in purple by 10, then we can get that 0.189 forevermore. Okay? Now, like I said at the beginning, the aim of the game is to get rid of this recurring bit. So what we need to do is we've already created one, we need to create another number, another decimal that has that 0.189 at the end. Because this nasty recurring bit that goes on forevermore, if we create two numbers that have that same ending, then when we take them away from each other, just set up the takeaway sum to come, then the recurring bit at the end will disappear. Now, how this happens is that you basically want to take this recurring bit and we want to move it up, move it to the left, multiply it by enough tens so that this 189 replaces it. So effectively, this 189 is going to become that 189, which means this 189 needs to go here. So in order to make that happen, we're going to have to multiply by 10, 100, 1,000 for it to all go up 3 place values, leaving the 3 and the 2 having it go up here. And I've not really left enough space for this, but if we multiply 10x by 1,000, we're going to get 10,000x. Alright, now I went a little bit ahead of myself and set up the takeaway sum afterwards, because what I like to do is set it up so that you've got the takeaway sum below like this. You used to have to do these without a calculator in GCSE, or GCSE anyway. So I'm just going to do it without a calculator just now, but of course if you would type that in, the takeaway sum, and you wouldn't have any problems with it. So 10,000x, take away 10x, that's going to give us 9,900x. On the right hand side, the recurring bit, take away the recurring bit, is going to disappear, so you technically get a bunch of 0.00s there, which we don't need to write in. I then do 32,189, take away 32, it's going to give me 32,157. I then need to get x by itself here so that we make a fraction out of it. So I divide both sides by 9,900, and that is 3.2189 recurring as a fraction.